Just finished braiding my hair, guys. If you want to see how I do it, stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole. If you're new here, welcome. And if you like what you see, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss an upload. So guys, today I'll be doing showing you how I get my hair done. I am just finished. Actually, it's like, I think it's like 11 o'clock now at night. I've been wearing braids like this for the past few weeks, maybe over a month now. So tomorrow is my birthday and I really liked the ones I had in before, so I decided to do my hair like that again. But I got some different braids this time, well, from a different hair company, and guys, I really love these ones. They're like so soft, they feel so real, like human hair. They feel like actual human hair, guys. Here's a pack of the braid that I got them on AliExpress. They're actually SB Havana Twist 1.6 centimeters 1B 100% premium fiber, made in China. I'll see if I can find a store or the link or whatever I got it from on AliExpress and put it in my description box, guys, for you. They're really nice and I love the packaging. So I actually decided to start filming this when I was like halfway through my hair, when I had like the back finished already. And I remember that a few of you were asking me how I did my hair, so I decided to film it for you guys. Okay, I'm just going to show you the products, that everything that you're going to need in order to get your hair done. So let's get into it. This is what you're going to need, guys. You're going to need a comb, a tail comb, could just use a tail comb, some hair clips, the scissors, the crochet, this is the needle to crochet in the braid, and I'm using Shine and Jam, and hair grease, this is one I love, and some hair moisturizer. I'm using Carl's Daughter. And you're going to need at least 3 or 4 packs of braiding hair. These are the ones I'm using. It's called SB Havana Twist. So this is what I have left. This is what I'm working with. Okay. So what I do, guys, I pretty much part my hair in, what do you say, I part it in half this way and then do the back, and then for the front it's really, I'm gonna part it right down the middle for the front. So yeah, let's go. That looks about straight, right? I'm sorry if it's too dark, guys. I'm trying to turn the light on for my mirror and it's not working. Guys, I'm not a hairstylist. I'm self-taught. I didn't go to school for this, so okay. But a couple people was asking me the other day how I did my hair or who did my hair, so I figured I'll just do a video to show you guys how I did it. And I don't like to do my hair to make it too heavy, guys. I don't like when there's too much braids in my head, so I try not to use too much. Blue Magic hair grease. Put this on my hair scalp. Then I use Carol's Daughter on the ends. Shine and Jam on the root area, just to help to slick it down. I love using the Shine and Jam because it gives your hair a more professional look when it's done. Then I plait the root of my hair. I plait, and don't plait it too tight because you need to leave enough space so the braid is able to go through the hair. Because remember, you're gonna crochet in the braid. So I usually just plait it like quarter of the way down, not even halfway down. And then I twist. I'll try to show it to you more clearly when I get to the front. And I put some of the shine and jam on the hair. And you're going to push it through your hair. And then the root of the top of the hair, make a hole. And you're just going to push that part in here and then close the latch and pull it through your hair. Right? And you go to the ends, tip, pull it through, pull it through. It's like you're kind of making a knot in your hair, right? And you just push it all the way up to the root until it's tight enough or taut enough. And you're gonna push the crochet, the needle through the hair, through and through, all the way up to the root, and then put your hair on the crochet. Here, that's the hair. I'm just going to push it through the hair. Here, close it through. And you do that until your hair is completely covered. Okay, and down. So you can choose to actually fully braid your whole head first, guys, and then you just put in the braids. Then you put in the crochet braids after. So you push it through, then you open the latch, put the hair in, close it, pull it through the hair. Then you grab the end of the braid, put it in the latch, close it, pull it through, right? You just pull it all the way up to the top, make a knot. Try not to make it too tight so it gives you hair bumps. No, when your hair is too tight, you get hair bumps, right? And you grab your hair and you put it, open the latch, put it in there, close it, and then just pull it through the braid, right? Push the braid through like that. And grab it, close it, pull it through until the hair is covered. In my case, they're not all gonna be even, but I don't really care, to be honest. If you care about that, then you can ensure that they're all even. Okay guys, so I decided to come back to show you the finishing touches. I'm on the last row. My last two actually. Right here I'm just applying shine and jam to my roots. Helps to make the roots look a lot more sleek, you know. And you put the shine and jam on the root of your hair and then you braid it. It makes the hair It makes it look a lot neater and you don't have to braid it as tight. Getting my baby hairs or my adult hairs out of the way. Guys, and I'm doing this on freshly washed hair. I washed my hair yesterday. I prefer wearing braids in the summer over wigs. Wigs are usually my winter thing. I mean, braids are a protective style too, just like wigs. But I like when my hair is fully covered during winter. Because I'm telling you, the weather here dries my hair out a lot. So I prefer wigs for winter and braids for summer. I only end up using 3 packs, guys, which I told you I don't want my hair to be heavy, so I end up only using 3 packs. I did the same thing over here that I did on that side. Yeah, but I made the ones on the top a lot bigger. I don't really care. I think when I'm buying braids again, or I want to do this style again, I'm gonna use this braid here. One of these braids feel a lot like my hair, like the texture. Last 2, guys. Last one. Okay, that's it. I'm done. Like this, set down my edges a bit. With my handy dandy toothbrush. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And also please check out one of my vlog videos. I'm going to tag them here, so if you're liking it here, just stay tuned, watch another video. I really appreciate it. Okay, alright, so guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend. Okay, bye bye.